Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Metra 72 to 7800 is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components when upgrading your car's audio system, acting as the crucial bridge between your new head unit and your vehicle's factory speaker wiring harness. This adapter is meticulously designed to ensure a seamless and secure connection, preventing the need for any cutting or splicing of your original car wires, which can be a daunting task for many DIY installers. Its primary function is to simplify the installation process, saving you valuable time and potential headaches while guaranteeing that your new stereo integrates perfectly with your car's existing electrical setup, allowing you to enjoy enhanced sound quality without compromising your vehicle's integrity. Number 5. Metra Axxess ASWC-1 Steering Wheel Control Interface. Tired of incompatible steering wheel control interfaces? This device works seamlessly with Pioneer, Kenwood, Eclipse, and many other radio brands. You can finally control your music without taking your hands off the wheel. Setting up your new interface is a breeze. It automatically detects the majority of vehicles on the road today. This means you get a quick and easy installation every time. Worried about compatibility with your specific car stereo? This interface automatically detects which radio it's connected to. You'll be up and running in no time. Ensure your interface always has the latest features and compatibility. It's easily updatable via a common micro USB cable. This keeps your device performing at its best. Never lose your customized steering wheel control settings again. Its non-volatile memory ensures your preferences are saved, even if the battery is disconnected or the unit is removed. Enjoy the convenience of integrated steering wheel controls. This interface offers a simple, reliable solution for a wide range of vehicles and radios. What we like. This steering wheel control interface is incredibly versatile, working with a vast array of radio brands. It automatically detects your vehicle and radio, simplifying installation. If you're upgrading your car stereo and want to retain steering wheel controls across different brands, this is a fantastic choice for a hassle-free experience. What people say. This adapter is designed to connect a new stereo to a factory amplifier. It has a plug-and-play design that requires no cutting of factory wires. The adapter maintains the factory amplifier's functionality. Number 4. Metra 72 to 7800 Speaker Harness for Honda and Acura. Tired of dealing with old or damaged speaker wiring? This 4-pack of speaker harnesses is designed to be a perfect fit for your Honda or Acura vehicle, ensuring a seamless audio upgrade. These adapters are a direct replacement for your factory wiring, compatible with a wide range of Honda models like the Accord, Civic, and CR-V, as well as many Acura vehicles. Installation is a breeze. From older models like the 1982 Honda Accord to newer ones, these harnesses cover a vast array of Honda and Acura vehicles. They are designed to work flawlessly with your front and rear door speakers. Crafted with quality in mind, these speaker harnesses ensure your new speakers perform at their best. They work just as well as the original factory wiring, providing a reliable connection. Forget about complicated wiring. These adapters offer a simple plug-and-play solution, meaning no cutting or splicing is required. You can have your new speakers connected and playing in no time. With this purchase, you'll receive a 4-pack of speaker wire adapters, part number 72 to 7800. It's everything you need to easily install new speakers in your Honda or Acura. What we like. This 4-pack speaker harness is a direct replacement designed for a wide range of Honda, Acura models. It offers an easy, plug-and-play installation without any cutting required. If you're replacing factory speakers in your older Honda or Acura and want a perfect fit with minimal effort, this is the ideal solution. What people say. This adapter is a direct fit for my 2003 Toyota Camry. It allows me to connect my new stereo to the factory wiring harness without cutting any wires. Number 3. 72 to 7800 Honda Acura Speaker Wire Harness. Introducing the 72 to 7800 Speaker Wire Harness, designed as a direct replacement for your Honda or Acura vehicle. It ensures a perfect fit for a wide range of models. Installation is a breeze with our plug-and-play design. You won't need to cut any factory wires, making the connection process quick and simple. Crafted with upgrade accessories, this harness guarantees lasting durability and a secure fit. Enjoy reliable performance for years to come. This is an exact replacement designed to perfectly match your vehicle's original wiring. Please confirm your part number before purchasing to ensure compatibility. Experience better music playback with these connectors. They ensure a great connection, allowing your car's audio system to perform at its best. Your purchase includes 4 high-quality wiring harnesses. Get everything you need to upgrade your car's speaker connections. What we like. This speaker connector harness offers an extensive compatibility list for modern Honda and Acura vehicles. It's designed for a simple plug-and-play installation, meaning no cutting of factory wires is necessary. If you have a newer Honda or Acura and are upgrading your speakers, this premium quality harness ensures a secure and easy connection. What people say. This adapter is designed to connect aftermarket stereos to factory wiring harnesses. It allows for a plug-and-play installation without cutting or splicing wires. The product is compatible with specific Toyota and Scion models, ensuring a proper fit. Number 2. Scosche FD3090B Kit. Upgrade your car's audio system with ease. This dash kit is designed for a perfect fit in select Ford, Lincoln, Mazda, and Mercury vehicles from 1995 to 2016. Please check the fit guide to ensure compatibility with your specific car. Give your car's dashboard a clean, factory-installed look. Its sleek design seamlessly integrates your new aftermarket radio, enhancing your in-car aesthetics. It's designed to complement your vehicle's interior perfectly. Installing your new stereo has never been easier. This kit includes all the necessary hardware and detailed instructions, so you can complete the installation yourself without any special tools or professional help. This kit is designed to fit true double-den stereos with specific faceplate dimensions. While it accommodates most standard sizes, minor adjustments might be needed for some oversized units. It ensures a secure fit for your chosen radio. Constructed from high-quality materials, this installation kit is built for durability. It's designed to securely hold your stereo in place and withstand the demands of daily use, ensuring long-lasting performance. You can rely on the quality of this product, backed by a limited lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. It represents a commitment to providing excellent car audio solutions you can trust. What we like. This dash kit is designed for a seamless fit in select Ford, Lincoln, Mazda, and Mercury vehicles from 1995 to 2016. It provides a clean, factory-installed look for your aftermarket stereo and is straightforward to install with no special tools needed. If you're installing a new single or double-den radio in one of these specific vehicles and want a professional finish, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This adapter is a direct fit for my 2003 Toyota Camry. The wiring harness was plug and play, making installation very easy. It allowed me to connect my new stereo without cutting any factory wires. Number 1. HSTECH 72 to 7800 speaker connector harnesses. Upgrade your car's audio system effortlessly with our speaker connector harnesses. Designed for a perfect fit, they ensure a hassle-free installation experience. Forget complicated wiring. These harnesses offer a simple plug-and-play solution, meaning no cutting into your original wires is necessary. Specifically designed for 1990 and newer Honda and Acura vehicles, they ensure compatibility with a wide range of models. Easily replace your factory speakers without any modifications. Just plug them into your original radio for a secure and reliable connection. Made from high-grade materials, these harnesses are built to last. Enjoy a secure and long-lasting fit for your audio components. Each package includes 4 harnesses in total, providing 2 pairs for your convenience. This ensures you have everything you need for the upgrade. What we like. This set of speaker harnesses provides a high-quality, plug-and-play solution for many Honda and Acura vehicles from 1990 onwards. It requires no cutting of original wires, making installation quick and easy. If you own a compatible Honda or Acura and are looking for a reliable, hassle-free way to connect new speakers, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This adapter is designed to connect a Metra 72 to 7800 harness to a factory car stereo. It provides a plug-and-play solution, meaning no cutting or splicing of wires is required. The adapter is compatible with various car models, ensuring a seamless integration with the vehicle's existing wiring. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.